How to add Grade 1 card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can head over to the App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna see this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different available card options will appear. Go ahead and select the option of debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Now from here you can easily add card to your Apple Wallet. All you have to do is scan the card, or you can easily enter the card details manually. You can choose any of the option. If you want to scan the card, position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it, or else you can click on the option of enter card details manually. Now provide your card details. First up, go ahead and type in the name, then type in the card number. Then click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in the CVV and the expiration date of the card and then go through the process. With that, your Grade 1 card will be updated to the Apple Wallet. So this way you can easily add Grade 1 card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.